we are launching a 45 billion shilling program to solarize 3,200 schools in the Republic, move them away from cutting trees into using solar for their cooking, for their lighting, and for their energy needs. This program has been undertaken by the Ministry of Energy, the Ministry of Education, and in partnership with Kenya Commercial Bank. I must commend Kenya Commercial Bank for their outstanding support to this project. I know the leadership of Kenya Commercial Bank. Please, round of applause to this great lady, Madam Kumtai. They have provided resources at a huge discount. It's not always easy to negotiate with banks, you know, but Kenya Commercial Bank has extended a credit facility with a 30% discount to enable us to solarize our schools and to reduce on the cutting down of trees and to reduce on the carbon print for our nation, but also to make sure that our learning is undertaken with green energy. So with now the pilot project that was carried out in 266 schools complete, and positively so, we are now beginning to roll out the program so that in the next 1 year, by God's grace, we will have solarized all our schools. The solar project is going to generate 780 megawatts of energy.